With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so here's the question. It says that let f of x is equal to sine of tan inverse x plus sine of cot inverse x whole square minus 1, where mod x is greater than 1 and dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 d by dx of sine inverse f of x. If y of root 3 is equal to pi by 6, then y of minus root 3 will be. Okay, so let's start. Let's write this given function. So we have f of x as sine of tan inverse x plus sine of cot inverse x, right? So I can write it cot inverse x as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, right? Because basically tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, right? So from here I can write cot inverse x as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, right? And this whole square minus 1. So now this will become sine of tan inverse x plus sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, right? So this will become cos of tan inverse x, this whole square minus 1, right? Now let's open this bracket using a plus b whole square. So this will be sine square tan inverse x plus cos square tan inverse x plus 2 sine tan inverse x into cos of tan inverse x minus 1, right? Now here this is basically sine square a plus cos square a, right? So we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So this thing will become 1, right? Plus 2 sine tan inverse x into cos of tan inverse x minus 1, right? So from here 1 will be cancelled and we will finally have 2 sine of tan inverse x into cos of tan inverse x, right? Now I can write this thing as, this was basically f of x, right? So now this is basically 2 sine of a into cos of a, right? So I can write this 2 sine a into cos a as sine 2a, right? So this will become sine of 2a, that is tan inverse x, right? So we finally have our function f of x as sine of 2 tan inverse x, right? Now in the question it was given to us that dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 sine inverse, 1 by 2 d by dx of sine inverse f of x, right? So if I integrate this thing, this will become y equals to 1 by 2 sine inverse f of x plus c, where c is a constant of integration, right? When I will integrate both these things, this will become simply y, right? And here this 1 by 2 is a constant, so it will remain as it is. And then we have d by dx of this thing, right? So when we integrate this thing, this will simply remain sine inverse f of x, right? And then we will have a constant of integration c, right? So we finally have this thing. Now if I put the value of f of x here, this will become y, or I can write this as 2y equals to sine inverse f of x, that is sine of 2 tan inverse x plus c, right? Now again in the question we also had y of root 3 is equal to pi by 6 given to us, right? That means if I put x is equal to root 3, then the value of y will be pi by 6, right? So let's put this thing in this equation. So we basically have to put this x as root 3 and y as pi by 6, right? So let's put here x as root 3 and y as pi by 6, right? So this will become 2 into pi by 6 equals to sine inverse sine of 2 tan inverse root 3 plus c, right? Now this will become pi by 3 equals to sine inverse sine of 2 tan inverse 3, right? So this tan inverse root 3 is basically equal to pi by 3, right? So this will be 2 into pi by 3 plus c, right? This tan inverse root 3 is basically equal to 60 degree, right? So that can be written as pi by 3, right? So we can write this tan inverse root 3 as pi by 3. So finally we have pi by 3 equals to sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 plus c. Now this can be written as sine inverse sine of pi minus pi by 3, right? I can write this 2 pi by 3 as pi minus pi by 3, right? And then we know that sine of 180 minus theta is actually equal to sine theta, right? So this will finally become sine of pi by 3 plus c. And then this sine inverse sine theta can be written as pi by 3, right? Because sine inverse sine theta, when theta is in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, can be written as theta again. Okay, so this will become pi by 3 plus c equals to pi by 3, right? So from here we can say that the value of c is actually equal to 0, right? So we finally have our function as 2y equals to sine inverse sine of 2 tan inverse x, right? And that c is actually equal to 0, right? So this is our final function. Now in the question we have been asked for y of minus root 3, right? That means we have to put x equal to minus root 3 and we have to find out the value of y, right? So let's put x equal to minus root 3 here. So this will become 2y equals to sine inverse sine of 2 tan inverse minus root 3, right? So this will become sine inverse sine of 2 into minus pi by 3, right? Because tan inverse minus root 3 is actually equal to minus pi by 3, right? Now this will become sine inverse sine of minus 2 pi by 3. Now sine inverse sine of minus 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi plus pi by 3, right? Because if I draw the trigonometric graph, we have minus 2 pi by 3 here, right? This angle is basically equal to minus 2 pi by 3, right? So I can write this as pi plus pi by 3, right? This is pi and this angle is pi by 3, right? So I can write this minus 2 pi by 3 is pi plus pi by 3, right? So now this will become sine inverse sine of pi plus pi by 3. Now sine of 180 plus theta is equal to minus sine theta, right? So this will become minus sine pi by 3, right? So sine inverse of minus sine theta is actually equal to minus theta, right? So this will finally become minus pi by 3 and that is equal to 2y, right? So the value of y will be equal to minus pi by 6. Okay, so this is the final value of y that we got. Among the given options, option A says minus pi by 6, right? So our answer will be option A. I hope this will help you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.